Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add text over images in Card.co. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'm going to teach you how to add text or captions to images uploaded to your site. Whether you're trying to enhance the visual appeal of your page or provide additional context to your audience, incorporating captions can be a game changer. To begin, add the image or GIF that you want to feature on your site. Look for the plus icon on the top right bar of your screen and click on it to bring up the different elements you can add to your page. From this list, choose the gallery element, which is a powerful tool that allows you to manage how images look and feel on your site. After selecting the gallery, a left panel will appear on your screen where you can upload the image or GIF you want to feature. Once your image is uploaded, you can adjust how it's cropped to ensure it displays exactly as you want. Take a moment to make any necessary adjustments to fit your aesthetic needs. Now it's time to add the caption. Go to the caption section, where you'll be able to type the text you want to display over or under your image. This step is crucial for sharing important details or catchy one-liners that can engage or inform your audience. So consider your message carefully and choose your words accordingly. With your caption text in place, move on to styling it. At the top of your screen, click on the paintbrush icon and navigate to the Captions tab. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Style, where you can choose the positioning of your caption, whether you want it on the top, bottom, or somewhere else relative to your image. Experiment with different placements to see what complements your image best. As you scroll down the menu, you'll find more customization options for your caption, including font style, size, color, and more. These allow you to fine-tune the appearance to match your site's theme or highlight specific aspects of your message. Pay close attention to these details, as they play a significant role in making sure your text is both readable and visually appealing. Once you're satisfied with your caption's style and positioning, click the Done button to finalize your settings. This will confirm and apply all the adjustments you've made. And that's it, a complete way to add and customize captions on your site. So that's basically how you can add text over images in Card.co. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.